So using lightweight materials on the outside of the building in your balcony construction means that you're taking less forces back into the building. You could obviously approach it by adding a precast concrete balcony or a steel balcony or something on the outside. But if you're using lighter weight materials, you can get a balcony weight of roughly 300 kg connecting to the building facade and those wall panels, and that means that you're taking a considerable amount less force. The great news is some of those connections will enable a reduction to just 4 kN of moment force. You think about that for a cantilever balcony, that's an extremely reduced number compared to what a standard balcony would be of roughly 120 kg depending on your material. If you're wanting to streamline your balcony journey for your precast wall panel, we can definitely help you understand that aspiration, unlock that hurdle and challenge and deliver a streamlined process throughout. Reach out to us, we're happy to help and consult on your project.